Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in carbon black. So alongside that very nice exterior colour, of course, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car, and included in that is a brand new set of 666 competition style alloy wheels that also come with brand new tyres. So at the front of the car you'll see it's a 2017 17 plate, so we've got a facelift model. Also situated behind those very eye-catching alloys, we've got the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 4 Series that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus plaque. It's an extraordinarily clean and tidy example. As you can see there, that carbon black really is a very standout colour. Down the side you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. You do also get the very nice privacy glass on the rear windows, and I shall now take you through to show you the interior, which again is a very nice high contrast coral red Dakota leather, which in the front does of course come with the electric memory movement and the heated seat option as well. We've also got that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, the very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to that M Sport Plus pack, and of course to keep that huge amount of power and torque to the road, it has got the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system of course. Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and again the lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Moving on to the rear of the car, where again we can show you just how nice these alloys are, and that carbon black really shining up very nicely there thanks to the sun coming into the showroom today. At the back of the car, again, we added a high gloss rear diffuser and went for the satin option spoiler on this car. Facelift rear lights, and again reminding you this is the 435D, as you can see there. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals the huge boot space that you find on the Gran Coupe variant. You can make that even larger because you can remove both the bottom and top partial shelves along with split folding seats. Round towards the other side of the car, you can see there again the carbon black really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. So towards the front section of the car you may just be able to see that colour change that is in this paint. So it goes to a very nice dark blue / black. Moving towards taking a seat inside the car, we are of course going to start with the professional wide navigation and media that we have in this car, and I'll also of course start the vehicle up and just run yourselves through a couple of the features and functions of that. Beginning with the satellite navigation, this uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've also got Bluetooth for both telephone and audio, as you can see there, and a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, the music collection and USB inputs as well. Heading back to the main menu, in just 1 second we'll go across and check out the service requirements and service history for this very nice 435D. 25,000 miles covered. It does of course, as I mentioned, have that 8-speed, so we've got the lovely flappy pedals, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And going through now into the service requirements and service history screen, you can see there that the next service is not due for 6,000 miles time, and up at service history we've got full BMW service history, including a pre-delivery inspection service as well. So there is a walk around video for the incredible carbon black 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. However, we would very much like to hear from you, so if you do want to get in touch, there is always contact details in the description along with a link to our website, or alternatively you can of course drop a comment in the comment section and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much guys, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon, and if not, even better, we'll hopefully see you soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much. Goodbye.